Buenas, I'm Romeo. I'm born and raised in Zamboanga City. For today's dish, we got Camaron al Ajillo.
For the ingredients, thinly sliced cebollas or green onions, then dunk in cold water. Acabar, curta pino con el ajos, curta también el punta del dried chilies. Y después, buta con el pipita.
The more the better. It only takes seconds for your garlic to get cooked. So while you're cooking it, you can add your chilies. Entonces, si medyo takoloraya el magao, pwede kita pone el vino blanco. Make sure the wine is cooked. Season, sal, y pimienta. Now you can season the other side. When the shrimp is almost cooked, then you can add your pimenton to add a little bit of a smoky taste and color into it.
Pimenton, or Spanish smoked paprika, is a mainstay in almost every Chavacano kitchen, and this is probably why most Zamboangueño saucy dishes are red.
Nya, prueba kita. Pautay lang cerveza. Simple, sabroso, tiene smokiness, poquito kahang, perfecto. Nya, kumaya kita.